Hello. Today I clean my small room. It is messy, but I want a calm mind. Let's start together. My room is very messy today. Clothes are on the chair, books are on the floor, cups are on the table. Everything looks bad. I stand in the middle of the room. I feel tired just looking at it. I do not want to clean. But I know something important. If I clean my small room, maybe my mind will feel clean too. So today, I start. It is Sunday morning. The room is quiet. No work, no office, no meeting. Only me and this messy room. I sit on my bed and look around slowly. Old paper, empty bottle, dirty clothes, so many small things everywhere. I feel a small, heavy stress, like a quiet cloud in my head. I take a deep breath, in and out. I say to myself, just clean for 10 minutes. Not 1 hour, not all day, only 10 minutes. 10 minutes feels possible, so I stand up. Step 1. Open the window. First, I walk to the window and open it slowly. Fresh, cool air comes inside and touches my face. Sunlight enters the room with soft, warm light. The room already feels lighter. Sometimes one small action can change a feeling. Step 2. Pick up clothes. I look at the chair. Many clothes are there. Shirts, pants, socks. Some are clean, some are dirty. Everything is mixed together. I take one shirt and smell it. Dirty. Laundry basket. Next shirt is clean. I fold it slowly. Fold, fold, fold. I put it in the closet. One shirt done. Then another. Then another. After a few minutes, the chair is empty. The chair looks new, and my heart feels lighter. A very small success, but it feels good. Step 3. Clean the table. Now I see the table. 2 cups, 1 empty bowl, old paper, and dust. I take the cups to the kitchen and wash them. I throw the old paper in the trash. Then I use a small cloth and clean the table slowly. Left, right, front, back. But dust is gone. The table is smooth and clean. It is only a table, but my mind feels quiet. Step 4. The floor. The floor is the hardest part. Books, a bag, and random things. For a moment, I want to stop. Cleaning feels boring and slow, but I remember only 10 minutes, so I continue. 1 book on the shelf, 1 bag near the door, 1 small thing in the drawer. Step by step, no rush, just slow movement. After some time, I can see the floor again. The room looks bigger, more space, more air, more peace. Step 5. Make the bed. Now I make the bed. The blanket is messy. The pillow is on the floor. I shake the blanket and place it flat and smooth. I put the pillow back. The bed looks calm, like a quiet place to rest. Maybe tonight sleep will be easier. While cleaning, I find an old photo. It is me and my friend on a sunny, happy day. I look at it quietly and remember how fast life moves. Busy days, tired nights. Sometimes we forget simple, happy moments. I put the photo on the table so I can see it every day and remember to smile. Now I stand in the middle of the room again. Same room, same walls, same size, but everything feels different. Clean chair, clean table, clear floor, soft light, fresh air, and inside me, more space too. Less noise in my head, less heavy feeling in my chest. Cleaning a room is also cleaning the mind. Slow work outside, quiet peace inside. The sun goes down slowly, and orange light fills the room. I turn on a small lamp with warm yellow light. I make a cup of hot tea and sit on the clean bed. Today is simple. No big success, no big money, no big change, only a clean, small room. But sometimes small things are very important. Night comes. The room is dark and calm. I lie on my bed with a soft pillow and clean blanket. My body relaxes. My mind is quiet. Before sleep, I look around one last time. Thank you, small room. Thank you, simple day. Tomorrow may be busy again, but tonight everything is peaceful. In this small, clean room, I close my eyes slowly, gently, and sleep. Part 2. Let's speak together. Now, step 1. Let's not only listen, let's speak together. I will guide you very slowly and simply. You are safe here. Take a deep breath and begin. Start with very short sentences. When you talk about cleaning your room, use simple present tense and very short sentences. Listen and repeat softly. My room is messy. I clean my room. I open the window. I pick up my clothes. Now my room is clean. I feel calm. Now think about your own room. Answer 3 easy questions. Is your room messy or clean? When do you clean your room? How do you feel after cleaning? Speak slowly. My room is a little messy. I clean my room on Sunday. After cleaning, I feel happy and calm. You did something important today. You listened, you spoke, you tried, and that is already a beautiful step forward. Cleaning a room is simple. Speaking one small English sentence is also simple. But small, simple things, when you do them every day, can slowly change your life. Before you go, write a small comment. Is your room messy or clean today? When do you clean your room? Write one simple English sentence. Do not worry about mistakes. Simple is perfect. I read every comment, and I am happy to learn with you here on Mr. Leo English. See you in the next calm story.